Hey guys, it's Kevin here. Welcome if you are new, and welcome back if you've been here before. Please do help my channel out by hitting that subscribe button. And then, of course, if you enjoy this video, be sure to hit the like button and feel free to share. Today I have a great product to review for you. It is a device that goes on your laptop. It is a USB hub by a company called DesertWest. So this is the box it comes in. Pretty small, straightforward little box. It has a little flap here that kind of shows you a graphic image of it. And then once you open the box, everything you're going to get inside it, you're going to get a little instruction card. You probably don't need this, but you can glance at it. Then you're going to get a nice little carrying storage pouch for the device, which this just slides in here. So that way when you're not using it or you're traveling, it's nice and secure. And then you're going to get the little device itself. So this is what it looks like. It's really compact, doesn't take up a lot of real estate, which is really nice. So if you have, it uses the USB, the newer version. So I believe it's called Type-C. So if you don't have that on your computer, then this is not really the device for you, but it plugs in. It takes up 2 slots. Usually their computers are right next to each other. So it plugs in there, and then it's all really nice and compact. And on this side, you're going to get your 2 USB Type-C connections plus 2 additional standard USB 2.0. Oh yeah, maybe those are Type 3.0s, but you're going to get the 2 3.0 little USB fast connections, and you're going to get the full SD card slot and then the micro SD card slot. And then on the end here, you're going to get the HDMI slot. So as far as speeds, I have not noticed, any transfer rate slowdown by using this device versus just plugging it into the computer. Now I haven't run any speed tests to see if it's exactly the same, but for the stuff I'm using when I'm transferring photos or videos or something like that, I don't notice any slowdown. The HDMI cable, I use that for my secondary monitor here, and I get the same resolution, so no problem there either. And then an important thing, because I get my power to my laptop through the newer USB connection, that one of these is actually powered. So you can see there's a little lightning bolt symbol on the bottom side. It shows you that. I think they call it the Thunderbolt, which may also be for an Apple. I'm not sure about that. You can hit me up in the comments below if that is correct, since I'm not an Apple person. But that's it. It's kind of a little nice compact device. And you just kind of gives you more ports if you are in the need for it. A couple things, these are a little, depending on your laptop, you want to make sure you have these 2 USB Type-Cs next to each other, because obviously if one's spread out, then this doesn't really work. But that's basically it. So if you have any comments or questions, feel free to hit me up in the comment section below. I do typically respond. And then until the next video, you guys take it easy. You, my friend, are awesome, because you made it to the end of the video. Now, if you want to be a true legend in my eyes, please hit that subscribe button. And in the meantime, if you want to check out some other videos, I would appreciate it. Till the next review, you guys take it easy.